Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. If you are new to my channel, then please take a second to go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So in today's video, I figured I would give you guys a real life view into what it's like for me to style my hair before bed or just to refresh a style. So jumping right into it, I've had these chunky twists in my hair for the past 4 to 5 days now. I believe I washed my hair on, I want to say Tuesday. Actually no, I washed my hair on like Monday. And so it was freshly washed. It's still really clean. So what I'm going to do now, because I really enjoyed keeping my hair in these twists, and also it's getting a lot colder in New York now, so it's much easier for me to just get up and go in the morning or to just put on a hat. I figured why not just refresh them and keep them in for about another week. I'll scratch myself. So all I'm gonna do is literally just retwist each one, and I'm going to be using the same products. The only difference is that I styled on completely drenched in wet hair, hence why the twists even lasted as long as they did. So I'm just going to go in and literally refresh each twist and twist it back up. So I'm going to start off on this section, and if you can look closely, so you'll see it's not really messed up, but the thing that I try to avoid is that once I get a lot of these frizzies along the twist, if I leave my hair like this any longer, it'll start locking. So I have to pretty much be careful, just unravel as early as possible so that I don't get any tangles. So I wasn't gonna take it all the way down because I didn't really feel the need to. I typically just retwist up to this point where it's like frizzy, but I want to relay my edges down, so I'm gonna literally retwist the entire section. And you can see that these typically make for really bomb twist outs. So the longer you keep your twist ends, the more definition you get. So I'm just gonna go in and lightly dampen my hair with some water. Work that in, and then the next thing that I'm going to use is my Mielle Organics Moisture RX moisturizing hair butter. I've been using this religiously, and it is my go-to product for all my twist outs, my sleek ponytails. Like, it's just a really great product. So I'm going to take that and apply it on that section and work it in. And then for my favorite part, I love using the Mielle Moisture RX Moisturizing Styling Gel. This gel is bomb.com when it comes to just keeping your hair laid, but also keeping it really hydrated and really moisturized. And I also love that it doesn't flake up no matter how much or how little of it I use. And it's my favorite product to lay down my edges. It just makes the look that much sleeker. And then last but not least, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb and just detangle. And if I still see any flyaways, I will go back in with some more of that gel. I also grab a bit more of the gel and I keep that on my fingers before I start twisting. Now I just twist. Also, when this section here starts feeling dry, I just add a bit more water. And I do go in with more of my moisturizing hair butter. Brush through, and then I complete my twist. And that's one twist down. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact steps to the rest of my twists. Now, for whatever reason I have dry patches or my hair is in need of a bit of oil, I like to stick with my dry itchy scalp oil by As I Am. It keeps my scalp clear and it helps minimize the itch as well. So it's the oil that I've been using frequently, and then the oil that I like to use on like the shaft of my hair is typically the hemp oil infused with black seed oil by Jamaican mango and lime. And I only go in with this at the end to just soak my ends with a bit before I apply my perm rods. But for the most part, like for the rest of like the scalp care, it's usually the As I Am, which I'm running out of, so I need to get a new one. Alright, so once I'm done with all the retwisting, this is what I'm left with. You can see. So the next thing that I do is that I will go in with some more of that gel, because what I came to really like about this style in particular was just how sleek and laid it looks in the morning, and I got a lot of compliments on it as well. It's just a simple 4 chunky twists, but they just look really great, and I love them because it makes my life so much easier in the morning when I get up and get ready for work. And it's an easy and quick protective style. Plus they're chunky, so I feel like they frame your face really well. The next thing is to go in with a bit of that oil on my ends before applying each perm rod. So I literally just like tilt the bottle over, and then with a bit of that oil, rub it on the ends. And then I go in with the perm rods. I don't take the perm rod all the way up because I do want to keep some of my length. So I just take it up about maybe a total of 4 times just to keep that length. And I do that to each section. So now that my hair is all done, the next step is my favorite part, which is to just slap on a satin scarf. I have a ton of these. I usually get them at my local beauty supply or even just my 99-cent store. And I like to pull mine a little forward just so that I can secure my edges and make sure that they're tucked underneath. And so that in the morning, my hair is nice and laid. And I usually tie my scarf like this. And then the last step is I put on my satin bonnet right on top. Tuck the rest of the twists in, like so. And we are good to go. So I will catch up with you guys in the morning to show you all the final results. Also, this is the amount of shed hair that I pretty much lost, and you can see that it's a tiny bit. So this is a week's worth of shed hair pretty much from the first set of twists, and now I just refreshed, and we'll see in the morning how it turned out. Okay y'all, so it's the next day and I'm just gonna take down my satin bonnet to show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so this is literally what I'm left with and what I've been rocking for the past week. It's just a super easy and super quick protective style, which I have come to love. So I thought it was only right to show you guys and to show you guys what my actual nightly routine is like whenever I'm refreshing a protective style. So I hope you guys found this video super helpful. If you like what you saw, then please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share with anybody who needs a quick and easy protective style, or if you're a lazy natural and you don't want to do too much, then I think this is a great go-to. It's also really convenient, that way you can rock your hats this winter and make sure that your hair is protected and moisturized at all times, because I can tell this winter is about to be brutal. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please feel free to let me know in the comments down below your thoughts, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.